Welcome back everyone to our channel. In this video we're going to take a comparison at Razer Kraken versus Hyperx Cloud 3. When it comes to gaming headsets, Razer and Hyperx are two of the biggest names around. Both brands are popular for delivering strong audio, clear microphones and gamer-friendly designs, but they cater to slightly different audiences. In this comparison, we'll take a closer look at the Razer Kraken and the Hyperx Cloud 3, breaking down the strengths and weaknesses. By the end, you'll know which headset is the best fit for your gaming style. Starting with Razer Kraken review. The Razer Kraken have been one of the Razer's most iconic gaming headsets for years, known for its signature green design, deep bass and strong software support. It's often the go-to choice for gamers who want to flashy looks and customizable sound, but it does hold up against newer competitors. Let's find out. You get powerful bass because it's great for immersive gaming and cinematic sound. Offers EQ, mic tuning, and RGB lighting options with the Razer Synapse software. It is louder and easily adjustable through software with a clear microphone and priced lower than many HyperX models, which makes it affordable. But going on to the drawbacks, bulky design and stronger clamping force. More plastic, less durable than HyperX, and bass can overpower mids and highs. Also, positional accuracy, not as precise without software tweaks. So Razer Kraken is best for gamers who love customization, booming sound and flashy aesthetics. It's fun and versatile, but less suited for competitive players who need pinpoint accuracy and all-day comfort. Next, let's do HyperX Cloud 3. The HyperX Cloud 3 is the successor of the fan-favorite Cloud 2, and it keeps the same formula that made HyperX a most-trusted name in gaming headsets: comfort, durability, and balanced sound. Designed with competitive gamers in mind, the Cloud 3 focuses less on flashy features and more on clarity, comfort, and long-lasting performance. It has memory for ear cushions and lightweight aluminum frame make it ideal for long sessions with excellent comfort. You get clear mids and highs with solid bass, great for both gaming and music, and with its durable build, reinforced metal frame that high-quality materials. Also clear voice quality and flexibility for casual or competitive play, with detachable noise-canceling mic, and works easily without needing extra software with USB or 3.5mm options only, so it's just plug-and-play simplicity. With all these pros, let's move on to the cons, which are its less customization, lacks advanced EQ software and RGB effects, not as slim or stylish as some Razer models, and it costs a bit more than the entry level of Kraken. The HyperX Cloud 3 is built for players who prioritize clarity, comfort, and durability over software bells and whistles. It's a reliable choice for competitive gamers, esports fans, or anyone who needs a headset that can be worn all day without discomfort. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Let me know in the comments which headset you're going to choose. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.